Hi, welcome back to Antai Hospital's YouTube channel, and let's continue the discussion on HPV infections and treatment. So HPV stands for human papilloma virus, and it is currently one of the most common STI infections that you can get in today's world, with almost 50% of sexually active individuals being positive some point in their lives. Now, usually we won't worry too much because most people are actually already vaccinated against HPV, and if you have not been vaccinated, you can arrange vaccinations for yourself. But however, these vaccines carry limitations themselves, and they are entirely a preventive measure. They do not serve to treat any potential new infection from strains outside of the HPV vaccine valence. Furthermore, in most cases, if you do contract HPV infection, your immune system is usually capable of protecting you from this infection, and you will recover over time, although that may take several years, some sooner than most, and you may develop some symptoms as well. So the most common symptoms is genital warts, and many patients will decide to have them removed. But even if you remove these warts, if you do not kill the underlying infection, the virus, the HPV infection is still present, but your immune system will be capable of removing it, or it just takes time. But if you are under certain medication, if you have a very stressful lifestyle habits like drinking and smoking, if you don't take care of your health, and if your immune system is being suppressed, then you will most likely will not recover, and you need alternative treatments. So even if HPV infection is not alarming, there are some things that we need to be concerned about, because HPV strains, there are actually two groups. First group is the low risk HPV, and the second group is high risk HPV. Now, what we want to be particular about is the high risk HPV, because those strains are still not fully identified, and furthermore, they can lead to potential cancers of the reproductive system and also affected regions outside of the reproductive system. So in both men and women, it can lead to potential fatal cancers, and that's why early screening and prevention is very important. But even more so than that is effective treatment, effective active treatment for already existing HPV infection is very high in demand, and that's how Antai Hospital is filling in this gap, providing its contribution in this field. So diagnosis is the most important step in the full treatment of HPV at Antai Hospital, because we do have effective treatment here at Antai Hospital, which is our proprietary Antai, which is a highly effective medication that we apply on infected regions. Usually it's not visible to the naked eye, but with our doctors and their equipments, we usually can locate these lesions present within the reproductive system, and then we simply apply this medication to kill the infected cells and also allow replenishing of new cells. So usually affected cells, these skins and dead tissues will actually shed off, signifying full recovery. Now, upon following the full course of treatment of 1 month, once a week application of this medication for 1 month, you will have recovered within the longest period, which is 6 months. Most patients tend to recover within 3 months, but you will see proven results within 6 months, and we can turn your HPV positive into HPV negative. And that's why our treatment here is so significant compared to conventional ones. It's because ours is actually guaranteed and proven results. Now, conventional treatments, there are several different medications that you can get, but they cannot guarantee recovery, and they tend to make you dependent on it, and they take a long time to actually see any form of results. Ours comes fully on a contractual basis. If you do not recover within the stipulated period of time after receiving this treatment, then we offer you money back guarantee, and there are no side effects as well. In fact, it really offers you relief, pain relief and itch relief, and it removes all these unwanted lesions and genital warts. So it's definitely something that you want to look into. Antai Hospital offers this effective proprietary medication for anybody seeking relief from HPV infections, as there is no readily available effective treatments in the current market. those that can actually provide proven results with money back guarantee. Ours is effective and we offer you full refund guarantee if you do not recover within the stipulated period. So please do get in touch with us if you're interested in effective and proven medication that actually treats the underlying infection and kills the virus, prevents it from replicating further and spreading. And importantly, we want to prevent the progression and development of high risk cancers of the reproductive regions. So early screening and early treatment, early diagnosis is all steps that you need to take to prevent that from happening. And Antai Hospital can help you in this part on your journey of full recovery. So please get in touch with us. More inquiries, more questions on this topic on our HPV medication, please leave comments down below. And also do watch our previous videos on different topics. Stay tuned to the next one.